Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on sneakers unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 4 in the Tour Yellow colorway. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and you know we have to get our Supreme knife, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's set this down. Okay, so upon opening the box, you get your Jumpman and Flight lettering. So let's take the box out. Okay, so yes, we have the Jumpman right here, and then we have Flight in white letters. We have Jordan Air on the back of the box, Jordan Air on the front. We have our sizing right here, and on the bottom of the shoebox we have our little recyclable logos: Jumpman Flight, Nike, Swoosh, Air Sole Jumpman, all of that good stuff. And the front, it says Air Jordan 4 Retro. The colors are Tour Yellow, Dark Blue, Gray. So of course size 9, because I might just keep these. And let's get straight into it. Okay, so our wrapping paper is like the cement texture that they put on the threes, so all around you can tell. But there's the shoe, and let me take them out so you guys can get a better look. Ooh, yo, this shoe is nice. This shoe is very nice. But let me take out the other pair. Looks like you don't get an extra set of laces with these. Maybe wrong, but that's how it looks. Okay, so here's the pair. The reason I have these a little early is because Nike gave me early access a couple days ago, and so I got lucky enough to get 2 pairs. So this is one of the pairs. The other one's a smaller size, but they're both the same thing. Okay, as for materials, we have yellow nubuck leather as the upper, then we have a white midsole, then we have a gray sole, but also with some white and yellow for the Jumpman and the area surrounding him. And on the tongue it says Flight, and it's pretty much like any other Jordan 4 that you've seen. Come with yellow laces, and like how I said, these do not come with an extra set of laces, so if you would want some, you'd have to buy some. If you want them in black, I feel like these would look really good in black laces, but I don't have any, so that's too bad. Okay, so behind the tongue it says Air Jordan, so you can't really tell, but I'll show you guys the close-up shots. And it's the same thing for the right pair. It says Air Jordan on the tongue where my finger runs across right here on this little yellow strip. And on the back we have the Jumpman logo, and it is the same as well for both pairs. As for that, we have our little air bubble as well. If you guys didn't already tell, you can see it on both sides of the shoe where the midsole resides. And there it is, guys. Okay, so back when these first released, these were originally made for the Jordan Motorsport team. I read about it on the sneakers app, so if you guys want to go check that out, it should be on there. But yes, they were made for the Jordan Motorsport team, so people thought they didn't have access to this shoe, only to the team. But then they dropped on a random Wednesday around 4 p.m. and then the rest is just history. But that's pretty much it. Let me get you guys the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. right, so that wraps up the video on these Air Jordan 4s. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys would rock, or if you guys would drop, or if I missed anything, let me know in the comments. And these will be dropping on August 28th, so this Saturday, and they'll drop for a retail price of $220. So if you're lucky, you'll enter the draw and win. If not, you'll take an L, which happens a lot of the time. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.